Okay, we're at the top of the floodway right now. There's a big cage in front of me so nobody goes jumping over the side. You can hear the water flowing in the background. This is crazy. That's the floodway there. That's facing south. That's obviously facing north. Check this out. This is from all the this is from all the snow and rain we've had in the last month and a half or so that they've opened up the floodway, our floodway. Whew. It is freezing out here. I'm shaking. It's so cold. Some people fishing down below. That's where the floodway and the Red River meet, is right here. Like, look at the water flowing here. Oh, my camera's shaking. I'm freezing I'm freezing. Hey, thanks for watching. Hopefully you can kind of laugh at this. And I can't believe people are actually fishing here. That's insane. I've been out here for 2 minutes and I'm freezing. Ugh.